We wish you a Merry. It was like, okay, he's giving me compliments. I never thought of myself that way. And then kind of like grabbing my hip and kind of like maneuvering it so that he could look at me. He was telling me to take off my shirt and pants so that he could get down into your underwear. You know, you start thinking, okay, so if I try to leave or be like, no, we're not gonna do this, you know, how would you leave? Like, is there a gun hidden somewhere like he was gonna pull out? As a young girl, you just do, because he's an adult, you just do what someone asks you to do. That was where I started freaking out completely. I was like, okay, this is just so unreal. This is not happening. He just looked like a scary sicko in my mind. Like, I just still have the vision of his face. When he was done, he wrapped himself up in a towel and said, "There's too many for you to not really want to see again." And I was like, okay. In the back of my mind, I was like, I'll never come back here ever again. I went downstairs and I felt so used. I felt so used, like I was just like this dirty person. Before Epstein I saw myself a long time ago. That was like, oh my God. And afterwards, it was somebody just picked up that body, took it from its roots, and smashed it.
Dito tanan niya, magpalit lang og disposable nga baso. Ang gloves tanan, aslalom na ay. Oh, gloves. Ay, gloves ya. Kulang kayo. My daughter concludes the statement. The time on my watch is 5:25 p.m. Girls were brought across the bridge from the mainland, which is West Palm Beach. And it's a whole different world when you cross the bridges. This is West Palm Beach, like a lot of other communities along the Gold Coast, where it's working class. It's not necessarily high-end at all. It's a real world. Think what it must have been like to come from modest means, in some cases broken homes, troubled homes. Palm Beach is like Oz. If you live in West Palm, I mean, that's just not a world you experience.
My name is Shauna Rivera. This is the house that I grew up in. This is where usually we would sit out here. We had a big hammock on the patio. This room was my room. At the time that I first met my girlfriend came over here to take me with her to Jeff's, right after this street here, there's a trailer park. There's a canal and then there's a trailer park. And so she walked over here and convinced me to go with her. I didn't want to. I was a runaway for 2 years. My mom used drugs to most of my life. My dad went to prison.
Mobile ko na si Mayo sa
And when I was 10, my dad got out of prison. At some point, my dad had a girlfriend who had some kids, and the kids had clearly been abused. And I would say it was like a thief.
Alas 12 pa.
My
Kini
dad
ay?
and his girlfriend
Alas 12 pa mo na.
hurting
Alas 12 pa.
in front of
Kuan.
me.
Kay lisod kayo
So,
may
I lived in like shelter homes.
lisod kayo ko sa dala.
I was 14 years old when I met Jeffrey Epstein.
Magtubig mo kita punta ka na. Sobra.
My girlfriend, she's like, Shauna, go in this guy's house. I can't go by myself. I just can't do it. I just need you to come with me. I was just like, alright, fine. I didn't know what was going to happen. I just went along with it.
Pa, kay
Once you get over the bridge into
kay kuan sa kuan.
yeah.
Ha?
And all these huge mansions. This is like not
Kay kuan ko. Ako paguna mo dito.
We walk into the back and there's this girl, she's young.
Paguna mo
With
dito
an
ako dito.
accent. I don't know her. She's familiar with my friend. Hi. We walk into this room.
Okay ra man daw si
And
Sito
as
madala
we
daw
walk
sa
in,
kuan.
I remember thinking he was kind of rude. He says, okay, hi. He's like on the phone. And he like lays down. So then my girlfriend tells me
Imo ni
I'm just gonna give him a massage.
Oh, ayaw, maglaban mo ulo.
And
Aba, ako
she said,
maglaban ako.
oh, well, we have to take our clothes off.
Hala, ate,
And
ako
I'm
tadi mo
like,
mantika sabi. Ate, mantika
I
nimo.
have to take my clothes off? And she says, yeah, we both.
Dili ka to imo
We
gamay.
both have
Ayaw
to
to
take
kay
our
lisod
clothes
kayo
off.
magmantika akong kamot. Limpyo na akong kamot.
So we have me and my 14-year-old girlfriend totally naked, and I'm giving this old man a massage. But then my girlfriend says, well, I'm gonna go. And I'm like, what the fuck are you doing leaving me here? Like, why? I couldn't believe she was walking out again. Then this guy, he asked me how old I was. And I remember telling him that I was 15 years old. I was actually 14 years old. That didn't scare him. It was kind of like, oh, okay, you're 15. Then he turned over and he wanted me to rub the lotion that we were using like all over his chest. And he told me to just grab his nipples and squeeze and pinch as hard as I could. And I just remember standing there and just being like, what is going on? Like, this is so weird. I just couldn't wrap my head around it. I was like, what the fuck is this? I'm 14 years old. I'm a virgin. It just went on like that for a couple of minutes and he finished. And there was money sitting there. He told me to go ahead and pick up the money. So I just got dressed and I walked out and left. I was so embarrassed. I didn't know how to say like, no, I don't want to do that. I don't know how long it was after the first time I had gone over there, but I was trying to phone call. They called me a cab to take me to Jeff's. There was no explanation. It was just take the cab to Jeff's. I assumed if I went back, I would get more money. I mean, I didn't have any money. I didn't have money like that. I just
Kung sa'yo na ulit, hindi ko ito, kagata ni mo? Dagan. Dahil siya?
Try to like get through it and just go.
Ayaw, may Jesse. Di ba na may Jesse?
I couldn't say this isn't right. I couldn't
Ma,
say
where's the Kathleen?
this isn't normal. I couldn't say like this is sickness.
Mama!
And it was probably for like 3 or 4
Saan mo kayo
years.
si Kathleen? Yan, ikaw mo to.
Gani, dagan siya paliton.
Dili, ay, itlog naman to, Milo. Nausa na ka. Nabuing mo ni siya. Ay, di pa sa mga mama. Ah, sibuyas pa ko ra. Ana siya ba? Di ba buo no? Atay, ay, ay. Ay, kurame. Di ba? Ana no? Ana no? Diba, kuan. Ana siya paghiwa ba? Kanang ighiwa bitaw nimo. Ang lingin nagyapa. Lingin, sakto. Ibutan sa iyang ani. Be ba?
Mama, ana!